What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who back, baby, with another short video for y'all to announce the Lastfit Mat giveaway winner, guys. So I already got my spreadsheet pulled up. We only had, 14 entries, so your chances are pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip around. Since this is a short, gotta be quick. So go ahead, flip around, and then we go ahead and do our random drawing. All right, guys, so y'all can see I got my random generator right here. I have already done my 2 clicks due to time. I got somewhere to be right now, but so here you go, last click. Who we gonna get? Boom, number 13. And number 13 is John T. John T, congratulations, bro. You are the winner of the Lastfit Mat, man. So congratulations to you. I will be reaching out to you via email with the code to use and send you all the information. To all y'all who participated, trust me, this is like my 5th set of Lastfit Mats given away. So I doubt this will be the last, but y'all keep rocking with your boy. Thank you for the support. We will be doing more giveaways in the future. That's all I got. Your boy Q. Catch y'all next one. Peace.